Hello, English learners. I'm your friendly guide here at White Eagle. Want to master essential English phrases for everyday conversations? You're in the perfect place. Learning a new language can feel like a big journey. But with the right tools, you can start speaking clearly and confidently from day one. Today, we're going to break down some fundamental English skills that you can use immediately. We will learn how to introduce ourselves and others, use polite greetings, and talk about days and dates. It's all about practical English for your daily life. Many of you might ask, how do I actually start using English in real life? You might know some words or grammar rules, but speaking feels difficult. It's like having all the ingredients for a cake, but not knowing the recipe. Or perhaps you feel shy or worried about making mistakes. That's totally normal. But the key is to begin with practical, common phrases. These are your building blocks for everyday communication. Why is learning practical English so important? Well, imagine you are traveling, meeting new friends, or even just going to a shop. These simple phrases allow you to connect with people. They help you understand and be understood. They open doors to new experiences and confidence. It's not just about passing a test. It's about participating in the world around you. When you can introduce yourself, greet someone, or talk about what day it is, you are actively communicating. This makes English real and useful for you. Let's think of English conversation as building a house. Each word and phrase is a strong, simple building block. We start with the most important blocks, put them together, and soon you have a complete structure, a conversation. Today, we will learn 3 sets of essential blocks. The first thing you often do when you meet someone new is introduce yourself. This is your very first and most important building block. The simplest way is to say, "My name is..." Then you can ask the other person, "What is your name?" Let's practice. My name is... What is your name? When someone tells you their name, it is polite to say, "It's nice to meet you." So you can have a short conversation. Hello. My name is Anna. What is your name? My name is Ben. It's nice to meet you, Ben. It's nice to meet you too, Anna. What if you want to introduce 2 friends? You can say, "Ben, I would like you to meet Anna." Or, more simply, "Anna, meet Ben." Then Anna can say, "Hi, Ben. It's nice to meet you." And Ben can reply, "Hi, Anna. It's nice to meet you too." These are very useful blocks. Another common question when meeting new people is, "Where are you from?" You can answer, "I am from," for example. "Where are you from?" "I am from Haiti." Or, "I am from Mexico." Sometimes people ask for your full name. A full name usually has 3 parts. A full name usually has 3 parts. First name, middle name, and last name. What is your full name? My first name is Pierre. My middle name is Joseph. My last name is Wesley. My full name is Pierre Joseph Wesley. Or, my full name is Isabel Lucinda Chang. Knowing these blocks helps you give information clearly. Now, let's talk about greetings. This is like choosing the right building block for the right part of your house. We have different greetings for different situations. When you meet someone new, or someone like a teacher or boss, it's good to use polite common greetings. Hello. How are you? The reply to "How are you?" can be, "I'm good, thank you." And you? Or, "I'm fine, thanks." Your one and only task is to read the user's text verbatim. You must not add, invent, omit, or change any words. Do not add any conversational filler. Your response must be only the audio for the provided text. Persona for vocal style. Read using the voice of a gentle storyteller. Your voice should be warm, soothing, and slightly animated, perfect for a bedtime story. Your pacing should be clear and unhurried. Maintain a consistent, balanced volume. For this part, your delivery must be very soft, airy, and at a low volume, as if sharing a secret. Additional strict instructions. The text must be read exactly once. Do not repeat any words or phrases. You must use a single, consistent vocal persona throughout this entire segment. Do not switch voices or introduce other characters. Here is the text to read. Example conversation. Hello, Mr. Tandy. How are you? I am good, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. These are always safe and polite choices. When you see a friend, you can use more relaxed, informal greetings. These are like friendly, quick blocks. Hey, how's it going? What's up? What's happening? How are you doing? For how's it going, you can say, all right, thanks. For what's up or what's happening, common replies are, nothing much, or not much. Let's practice with friends. Hey, Teresa. How's it going? All right, thanks, Mr. Tandy. What's up, Sam? Not much. What's up with you? Remember, use hello and it's nice to meet you when you first meet someone. Use the informal greetings with people you already know well, like friends. Our last set of building blocks helps us talk about time and dates. This is like putting your blocks in the right order. Let's learn 3 very important words. Let's learn 3 very important words. Today. This means this day. The day right now. What day is today? Today is Friday. Today at night is called tonight. Yesterday. This means the day before today. What day was yesterday? Yesterday was Thursday, November 13th. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. This means the day after today. What day will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Saturday, November 15th. So, we have yesterday, today, tomorrow. Practice saying them. To talk about a full date, we need the month, the number of the day, and the year. What is the date today? Date means month, number, and year. For example, today is November 14th, 2003. You can say November 14th, 2003. Just like with days, we have words to talk about months. This month, the month we are in right now. This month is November. Last month, the month before this month. Last month was October. Next month. The month after this month. Next month will be December. These simple blocks help you talk about time and dates very easily. You see how these simple building blocks connect? Now you can introduce yourself and your friends. You can greet people politely, choosing the right words for the right moment. And you can talk about when things happen using days and dates. These are not just words. They are tools for communication, tools for connecting with people, and tools for navigating your daily life in English. Keep practicing them. The more you use them, the stronger your English house will become. Learning practical English is about taking small, steady steps. Each phrase you learn and use is a victory. Don't be afraid to try. Start using "My name is," "It's nice to meet you," "Hello," "How are you?" today, yesterday, and tomorrow. The more you practice, the more natural they will become. If you found these English conversation tips helpful, subscribe to White Eagle for more language learning content. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.